Hi children. In the last two classes, we will discuss about birds. In this class, I am going to teach you about the same topic, birds. But in this class, we will discuss about the birds that cannot fly. These birds cannot fly. Flightless birds. Penguin, duck, emu, ostrich and kiwi. These birds are flightless birds. These birds cannot fly. Clear? Okay. The first bird is penguin. Which bird? Penguin. Spelling Penguin. All of you read the spelling. Penguin. Penguin. Penguin is a flightless bird. Cannot fly. Okay. Penguin usually found in cold area near the sea water. Found in cold area near the sea water. So, its main food is fish. And it drink sea water also. Penguin's main food is fish. And it drink sea water. Penguin have wings but not help for fly. Penguin's wings help for swim in the water. So, they spend most of the time in water. Clear? Penguin is a flightless bird. Cannot fly. Live in the cold area. Main food is fish. And its color black and white. Okay. The next bird is duck. Duck is a common bird. Duck is a pet bird. Duck live with us. Okay. Duck give eggs. Duck living in the fresh water and sea water. Its food is fruits, insects, water plants, etc. All of you tell me the spelling of duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. One more time. D-U-C-K. Duck. Okay. The next bird is emu. Which bird? Emu. Tell me the spelling of emu. E-M-U. Emu is the second largest bird in this world. Emu is the second largest bird in this world. Okay. Children, emu can grow 2 meters long. Emu can grow 2 meters long. It eats insects like grasshoppers, cockroaches, etc. Emu is the second largest bird in this world. Okay? Let's sing one rhyme. Okay, are you ready? Okay. 2 little dicky birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away Peter, fly away Paul. Come back Peter, come back Paul. Okay, thank you.
Once I saw a little bird come hop, 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 and I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the window to say how do you do, when he shook his little tail and away he flew. Once I saw a little bird come hop, 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 and I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the window to say how do you do, when he shook his little tail and away he flew.
Now that you know the rhyme, let's sing along. Please subscribe and pass on the link to all your friends.